Hey guys, my name's Paul and this is my Ford 302 Windsor which I've just rebuilt. In today's video, I'll be going through the teardown and rebuild process, including photos and video updates along the way. The engine has not been started yet, but we'll do that at the end of the video together. So let's get going. Now since this engine had been sitting around for about 5 years, the oil had become really sludgy and dirty and got into a lot of the parts. So I did give it a really good clean and freshen up and put some new parts in where I could. So the critical parts, bearings, rings, timing chain, etc. was all replaced, but we'll go through all the items that were replaced throughout the video and all the things that were cleaned. I can tell you one thing, is if I have to clean another part by hand again, it'll be the end of me. Anyway, I'm glad the motor's finished. I really enjoyed putting this together. In terms of engine specs, it is a stock 1999 Ford 302 roller motor. It's still got the original cam crank in it. I did convert it from EFI to carburetor, so it has got an aeroflow intake on it, and at the moment it's got a Holy Demon 600 CFM double pumper on it, which I had lying around. We finished the bottom end. What a mission. A lot of cleaning. I'll tell you what, I just don't want to clean another engine part for quite some time. Anyhow, where are we now? We have done the cam, the crankshaft, new bearings on the con rods, new bearings on the crankshaft, rods, pistons, new piston rings. We have done timing chain, that's new, timing cover, water pump new. We have got the whole bottom end spinning. We have got the main seal on the front end in, sump all in, all ready to go. She's turning smoothly, easily. I'm pretty happy at this point in time. What we'll do is give it a little turn over. It's turning nicely. Alright, we'll check in again when the top end's done. That means we've got the heads, the intake manifold, lifters, push rods, the entire valve train all assembled. We'll get the intake manifold on, the distributor, spark plugs, leads, fuel lines, water lines. We'll get this thing up and running. But that's the next step, so stay tuned. Alright, we'll do a walk around of the motor. It has got a new AU Falcon water pump on the front. An old coil I had lying around, works just fine. New oil pressure sender, new oil filter, new head bolts. I've reused the original headers that were on the car, just sanded them down and painted them. Original pan, sanded that down, painted it. Original bolts, new Felpro gasket there on the oil pan. Got the original flywheel, which is the 164 tooth automatic. They are the GT40P heads that came on the XR8s in Australia on the Falcons and on the Explorers in the US. Holy Demon carburetor, that is a 600 CFM double pumper. I had that lying around, so I put that on there as well. See how that goes. Alright, so let's get some fuel into the float chambers.
See the fuel coming up on the glass window. A bit of a prime.
All right, let's see how we go. Starts. I can't believe it. I can't believe it just went that smoothly straight off the first start. All right, that's it, guys. She starts, she idles, and the next thing we're going to do is an engine break-in video. So for the next video, like and subscribe. The next video will probably be up in a few days' time. I'll get some mufflers sorted, I'll get the cooling system hooked up, and we'll break it in for a good 20 minutes. And yeah, that's it. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.